Good evening, friends. So, in the last video, we have learned about how to install R and RStudio. So, in today video, let us see the interface of RStudio. So, uh, go to your window and type RStudio. So, you will see the icon here. Just click on the icon. So, this is the interface of R. So, the researcher who see this first time, this is the interference of RStudio. So I use a cursor highlighter. You can see that my cursor is highlight in yellow color for you to learn easily. So you can see my cursor. uh, so first of all, in the RStudio you have four panes. What is pane? Pane is like you have this one pane, this is the second pane, and this is the fourth, and this is the fifth pane. So this is the main pane. You can this is the R script. You can click here and you see it is written R script, and the shortcut is Control plus Shift plus N. So this is the main pane where you do your command. You put all the command here, and then when you run the command, the result will appear on this console. This is console. And so the output is shown in the console panel. And then you have global environment. So what is global environment? In the global environment, you import your dataset. For example, you have option here, import dataset. You just click here. So you have many option here. So if you want text-based document, you can export here, read R. If you want to explore uh, text read R, it means CSV file, comma separated file. You can click here. If you want Excel file, you can click here. And likewise, you have SPSS, SAS file, and status file. You can click and import data from there. Then you have fourth console, that is plot. You have many option here. So basically, when you give command in the console, so many time you have some plots, some figures, or some graph. So the graphical representation is shown in the plot panel. So these are the four panels which we later work and know more about it. So first of all, you have many option here. Let us see one by one. You have file. So you can import some new file, open new file here. Okay. You can save and save as your file while you are working. uh, okay, so basically in the when you work in the R, it automatically save your file in the directory. You don't need to save, but if you want to save, you can choose the option save as. Then you have edit. You have the basic option of cut, copy, paste, selection, find and replace here. Then you have code. uh, let's skip this. Then you have view option. If you click view, you can see many option here, and the shortcut is also shown here. You have plot here. If you want to save an image, save the PDF file, you can click here. Then you have session. uh, in the session, this is the option, set working directly. If you want to basically while you are working, it automatically save your file in the document. There is a folder, R folder. It save your all the working file in their folder. But if you want to change the directory, you can click here and you can change the directly from, if you want to desktop, so you can change the directly. All your R file, the working file will save automatically in desktop for your easiness. Then you have a session, it's done. Then you have build, then you have debug. In the debug option, you have many options. We will see. Then go to profile, then you go to tool. Okay, so this is the main option. So in the tool you have install packages option where you can install packages, new packages, whatever you are working. Then you have check for packages. You can check new packages. Then you have keyboard shortcut. Just click here. You will find all the shortcuts here. So I will show you the main shortcuts which are required for a researcher in their daily work. You can see many shortcut here. Just click here. Then you have keyboard shortcuts, and then you have global options. So it is basically global option. You can get all the option and you can change the graphic, the colors, the scheme of your RStudio environment. For example, you go to console, page layout. So this is your pane layout. So these are the four pin. One, this is R script, console, global environment, and packages. So according to you can change. If you click here, you can move this packages in the upward side and this global environment in the downward sides. And likewise, you can click and unclick any option according to your easiness. Then you have packages, and here you can see that there is an option of Python. So later, while I was working, the Python option is not here. So Python is also a programming language like R. You have many options, and you was also Copilot option that is newly added here. So maybe we will work in the coming future. Let's cancel this, and then you have help. You can check about the RStudio that this is the version I am using here, 2025-0901. So this is the latest version, and if there is any update you can check for update here. So it is already updated. I am using the new option, and likewise you have many keyboard shortcuts. So basically while you are working there are four pans, so you can change according to your easiness. For example, just click here and move this pen here. Okay, and if you want this pen should be small, click here and move this. Okay, and you can click here and move this sides. So according to your easiness you can change the pen size, and there is also a option for minimize and maximize. If you click here, sometime when a new researcher is open the RStudio in the first time, so there may be you have only three panes. So look here option, there is a maximize and minimum option. Just click here, you will get the option here. Okay, so you can adjust your screen according to your working. And let's see that there are also option R version 4.5.1 which I am using in 2025 October. So R is a free software, you can see. So if you want to see the license, type license, so you can type here comma LICEN license, and then bracket, and you can run the command. Okay, so this shows that the license, and then you have project, you have citation. Just click here, type here, citation, and then bracket, close and open. And if you enter, we'll show that there is a number of citation. And click here, type here demo. So this file will appear. These are the demo file. You can see we will later work here. If you type CIAD citation, bracket close and up, enter. So to type the R, for example, if you're working in R, you have to cite. So this is the citation. You can just copy paste this citation, and if you are using R in your paper, you can cite from there. Likewise, you have demo file, and then you have help. If you want any kind of help, so you can type here help, click here, then type here bracket start and close, control and enter. So it shows the help option, the topic, package. It explains one by one which command you have to use. So this is in the video. Thank you.